In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use NETO to work as a freelancer and get paid as an employee. First, from the NETO worksite, click on Invoice Generation like a freelancer. Enter your name, email, phone number, create a password, agree to the terms, and click Continue to receive an SMS confirmation. Once in the system, click Generate a new invoice from the left menu, and at the bottom right, click Switch to Form 101. You will need to do this because the taxes here are calculated based on your employment type, gender, age, and so on. You can click Additional Salary if you have additional income. Here you can then request a tax adjustment through the tax authority and attach the file here, or you can do it directly through the NETO platform, where you can enter how much you'll make for this work and then attach the payslip that shows that. Click Save and the system will automatically calculate your taxes based on your income. Next, click Bank Account Details at the top to indicate where you want the money transferred to. Click Invoice Generation. Enter the client's information, the type of work that was done, and the amount of pay to indicate on the invoice. You can also add rows here and add a customized logo to the invoice. The system will then create a salary simulator that will show you your gross pay and your net pay after the taxes and commission to be paid. The taxes area will display all of the relevant taxes to be paid to the Israeli tax authorities and for your pension if relevant. This is all based on your tax level, tax credits, and other factors. The total payment is displayed at the bottom of the payslip. Next, you can go back and create the invoice. Check if it's correct, confirm it, and send it to the client. The client receives the invoice and requests for payment, and the next day can send the money, and NETO will pay you directly. And that's it. As you can see, the process is fast, digital, and fully compliant.